Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej at Pune. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking 7th standard SS part 3. Our lesson was be completed, and now we will be started the exercise. So those who are not completed, those who are not submitted, chapter number 1, they will be submitted as possible as soon. Today is a Friday. So this chapter you will be submitted on Monday or Tuesday till 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, beta? So first is the MCQs. First question is the MCQs. 1. When it is daytime in India, and which of the following country will be night? First one is Australia, South Africa, Japan and Canada. The answer is Canada, because when we are occurring the day, that time Australia, Japan and South Africa also are daytiming. Now second one, in which direction does the earth rotates on its axis? Okay, first one, options are west to east to west, north to south, south to north. Answer is west to east. When its earth is axis on the west to east, so possibility the sun rising from the east side. Third one, earth experience day and night because. How can earth experience day and night? Because the earth rotates on its axis, so day and night is possible. The options are the sun revolutes on its axis, क्योंकि सन अपनी एक्सिस पे घूमता है. द अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, क्योंकि अर्थ अपनी एक्सिस पे घूमता है. द सन रिवॉल्यूट अराउंड द अर्थ एंड द अर्थ रिवॉल्यूट अराउंड द सन. So beta, the answer is the earth rotates on its axis, so day and night will be a happen. Answer is the earth rotates on its axis. Fourth one, season occur on the earth because. How can the season will be occur? Okay, what the reason? So the earth revolutes around the sun, because earth is revolute around the sun, so possibility the season will be a change. Options are the sun revolutes around the earth, the sun rotates on its axis, the earth revolutes around the sun and the earth rotates on its axis. Okay, the sun is here, okay, the earth is here, is orbit, so the earth is revolute. So in this time when it's far away from the sun, the winter will be there, so it's a possibility the earth revolutes around the sun, so possibility the season will be a change. Okay, fifth one, what angle does the earth make with its axis? Okay, so 45.5 degree, 66.5 degree, 90 degree and 23.5 degree. So here I will show, this is the equator. Equator means a 0 degree. Here is a 90 degree. Here is a 90 degree. Okay, in this is you are learning the 6th standard, and this type, that is a tropic of Cancer. Okay, this is, and that is a tropic of Capricorn. So here is a 23.5 degree and here is a 66.5 degree. Same position of 23.5 degree and here is a 66.5 degree. So when the sun is raised, because our earth is tighter, it's a alternate angle will be there, so it's a possibility of the 23 degree, so it's make the its axis, so answer is a 23.5 degrees Celsius. Now, what angle does the earth makes with its orbit? When the earth is around its orbit, what's the angle? It's a 66.5 degrees Celsius. Now 7th one, on 21st June, on which latitude do the sun rays fall straight? So options are on the tropic of Capricorn, on the Arctic Circle, on the equator, on the tropic of Cancer. The question is, again you have to listen the question. It's a earth. Okay beta? Question is, on the 21st June, on which latitude do the sun rays fall straight? So the sun is straight on tropic of Cancer. This line is a tropic of Cancer. Okay beta? So the straight line, because 21st June we have to suffering from summer. Okay, so it is a alternate. When we have to feeling summer, here is a winter. If we are feeling winter, here is a summer. So the question is, on the Tropic of Cancer, it's the feeling of the straight sunrise, means in the summer, during the summer season. Last one, on 22nd December, on which latitude do the sun rays fall straight? I was told alternate angle is there. So when we are feeling in December, we are feeling winter season. So that time in the South Pole will be a feeling on the summer season. So the answer is, when the summer season is there, that means the sun rays is straight falling on that place. On the equator, on the Tropic of Capricorn, on the Tropic of Cancer, on the Antarctic Circle. So the answer is on the Tropic of Cancer. When we have to be feeling, that means in the equator, December 22 December, they are feeling directly the sun rays is coming there. They are feeling summer. So on that time in December, we are feeling winter, means North Pole have a winter, so that time the South Pole feeling summer. When we have North Pole, means the Tropic of Cancer will be a feeling of summer. On that time the Tropic of Capricorn feeling on the winter season. Now the next question is a fill in the blanks. Okay, beta. First one, the Earth completes on rotation on its axis is a dash hours. Earth is completed its rotation, means a day and night occur. How many hours? So 24 hours. 24 hours they completed one rotation on its axis. Answer was a 24 hours. Second one, the Earth takes dash days to complete one revolution around the sun. The sun is revolved around the sun. How many days? The days are 365. Actually, days are 365 1/4. Okay, beta. The answer is 365 1/4. The one rotation will be a revolution completed by the Earth around the sun. Third one, the Earth rotates on its axis at the equator at the dash kilometer per hours. Okay, whenever the Earth is rotate, okay, rotate, not revolute, rotate. When the Earth is rotates, it's on its axis 1670 per kilometer. एक घंटे में इतनी स्पीड से it's was rotate around its axis. Okay, beta. Fourth one, the Earth revolutes around the sun at a dash kilometer per hours. Okay, here is asking the sun is here and the Earth is revolute around the sun by the speed of 1780 per hour kilometer. एक घंटे में. Okay, beta. Now the fifth one, sun, earth, moon and others stellar bodies dash in the universe. Okay, universe में ये सब bodies what they are doing, the rotate. Sixth one, the movement of the earth on its axis is a called dash of the earth. The movement of the earth जो अपनी axis पे movement करता है we call the rotation. Seventh one, dash happen due to the rotational movement of the earth. When the earth is rotation, what happen? So the day and night happen. Okay. Eighth one, dash happen due to the revolutionary movement of the earth. If the earth is revolved around the sun, what happen? The season will be happen because the season change about this revolutionary system. Ninth one, the path along with the earth. The path along with the earth around the sun is called dash of the earth. Okay, earth is revolved around the sun. It's a one make a path. रास्ता बना है. Imaginary line. It's not a situated line. That is an imaginary line, and it's what's going on the same way in daily time. That same way called by orbit. Okay. Tenth one, season happen due to the dash of the earth. How the season will be doing? happen because the earth is a slightly bent, for that's why it's a season will be happen because the earth is the shape of the oval. Okay beta. Now the main question 3, match the pair. First one, rotation. Rotation will be happen day and night because earth is rotate, so happen day and night will be a come. Second one, revolution. Revolution means the earth have to be around of the sun. So what happened? The seasons happen. द अर्थ रिवॉल्यूस, अर्थ किसके रिवॉल्यूस घूमता है? सन के. अगर मून पूछा गया तो मून इज अ रिवॉल्यूट अराउंड द अर्थ. हियर इज आस्किंग द अर्थ रिवॉल्यूट्स अराउंड द सन. इक्वल डे एंड नाइट, सो दैट इज द 21st March. The day and night are equal. That means the same time. 12 hours have a situated day and 12 hours situated night. If the sun rises 6:30, so sunset also 6:30. Or the March is not maybe possible sunrise is, so a day and night will be equal. True and false. Main question 4, true and false. First one, the earth rotates on its axis. Earth अपनी place पे exist करता है. True. Okay. Second one, the moon revolutes around the sun. I was told this question in the fill in the blanks. If the moon is around, so that come answer earth. If the earth around, so the answer will come sun. So the moon revolutes around the earth. So true, because earth is revolute around the sun and moon is revolute around the earth. Third one, straight sun rays fall onto the north and the south of the equator. True, straight sun rays, but in the north part the straight sun rays is coming in 21st June and the south part of the 22nd December. But it's true, it's a coming straight falling sun rays on north and south both of equator. Fourth one, between 21st March to 21st September, the southern hemisphere experience winter. True, because on that time 21st March to 21st September in the northern part feeling the summer season. If we are feeling the summer season means the opposite side, that means the south hemisphere experience winter. It's a true. Now answer the 1 and 2 sentence. Main question 5. First one, how much time does the earth take to complete one revolution? That means the sun, earth is around the sun, how much time it will be taken? So answer is the earth takes 365 days, 1 year, completed 1 year, that is a one revolution. One revolution completed in by 365 days. Okay. Second one, at what rate per minute does the earth revolutes around the sun? Answer, the earth revolutes around the sun at the rate of the 1780 km per hour. Means earth is revolved around the sun by 1 hour. It was completed 1780 per kilometer. Third one, what angle does the earth make with its axis and with the orbit? The earth make an angle of 23.5 degrees degree with its axis and 66.5 degree with its orbit. It's what's a 23 degree of angle and the rotate of the orbit of 66.5 degree. Fourth one, why are the day and the night longer and shorter? How can this be possible? The day is longer and night is shorter, because whenever the day is longer and night is shorter may be possible, it's a summer season. So now answer is, the earth revolutes around the sun keeping her axis inclined in the same angle. It's in the same angle, it's what's inclining. So the day and the night are longer and shorter. यही वजह है, कभी days long और कभी night long, कभी days short, कभी night short. Okay बेटा. Fifth one, when do the sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Cancer? Tropic of Cancer पर कब perfectly sun rays पड़ती है. I was told again and again on Tropic of Cancer 21st June, and if we are seeing the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. Here is given the question of Tropic of Cancer. So the sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. If the question like this, व्हाट इज अ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर की जगह पे यहाँ पे कैप्रिकॉन देते हैं, तो कैप्रिकॉन में आंसर आता कैप्रिकॉन ऑफ द 22nd December. Okay, but here is given the answer of Cancer, so we will be say 21st June. Okay, next question is the same Tropic of Capricorn. When do the sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn? Cancer also 21st June and Capricorn have a sun rays is a falling 22nd December. The sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn on the 22nd December. Seventh one. On which day do the sun fall vertical on the equator? Equator पर कब sun rays पड़ती है? So that is 2 days, 2 perfect days. The sun rays was vertically onto the equator. Equator, the middle part of the earth. Okay, beta. Sun rays fall vertical on the equator only on 2 days every year, on 21st March and 21st September. Okay, beta. It's a sun rays is falling into the equator. Equator means the middle part of the earth globe. Okay. 8th and last one. Which season prevail over the northern and the southern hemisphere between 21st March to 21st September? Between 21st March to 21st September, it is a summer in the northern part. Northern part have a summer on northern part means in this part have a, that means the Tropic of Cancer will be a summer season of 21st March to 21st September. So that here that means the Tropic of Cancer have a feeling winter season. Okay, beta. Same in the north part have a feeling summer, so south part have a feeling winter. Question will asking 21st March to September, what is suffering into South Pole? South Pole will be suffering from the North Pole. So North Pole have to suffering from the summer season. Between 21st March to 21st September, it is a summer in the northern hemisphere, and the same time the alternate, so the winter is a southern hemisphere. Now the answer the main question 6. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. First one. Name the 2 main motions of the earth. Earth के 2 main motions have to ask me. They are the 2 main motions of the earth. First one is a rotation, moving on its axis means a rotation, means sun is rotate, okay, and revolute, that means it's around the sun. Second one, what will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? If the earth is not revolute around the sun, what happens? So beta, we have suffering from the everyday day, and the backside are always suffering from the night if the sun is not revolute. So if the earth does not revolute its axis, the day and night would not happen. Okay, the day and night will be not happen. That means it's a earth and that is a sun. If this part only, if the sun is not revolute, what happen? Here is a day every time and here is a night, because this part is not facing the sun. If the earth does not rotates on its axis, the earth and the day and the night would not happen. There would be a permanent day over the region facing the sun. जिसने sun को face किया, that is a day timing in every time. And the region not facing the sun would have to be a permanent night. If the earth does not revolve around the sun, there would be a not change the season. So it's a compulsory. There will be a rotate and okay. What is rotation, that is a question number 3. What the means of rotation? Every in this lesson you will be heard again and again, rotation, revolution. What rotation, revolution, it is a main definition. What the means of rotation? The earth rotates is a spanning top. स्पैनिंग टॉप यानी अपनी प्लेस पे स्पैनिंग टॉप की तरह. इट्स वॉज अ इमेजिनरी एक्सिस, दैट इज अ इमेजिनरी एक्सिस. द लाइन विल बी नॉट अ सिचुएटेड, इट वी विल बी अ इमेजिनरी. ओके, इज द स्पीड ऑफ 1670 पर किलोमीटर आवर्स over the equator. This motion of the earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours. One day will be a completed full circle. Okay. What is a revolution? What the means of the revolution? That is the while of the around of the sun. Okay. While rotates on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. यानी अपनी प्लेस पे घूमते हुए भी it's also completed around the sun also. This motion of the earth is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days, 1 year, to complete one revolution around the sun. This period is called 1 year. That is a revolution. Okay, answer the following question. Fifth and last. What is the orbit of earth? Earth की orbit क्या है? Okay, the earth moves in the specific imaginary path. Specific imaginary path. That path is not a situated. We are imaginary path in the universe. So revolve around the sun. This path is called the orbit of the earth. The 5 question answers was completed. Answer the following question. Now answer brief. Answer brief. Okay beta, this answer will be coming 2 type of the question. If the question is given this is the main question 7. Last, answer the brief. Okay. Explain the circle of season. Question is explain the circle of season. Otherwise the question coming like this. Explain with the help of diagram how the season change on the earth. Okay beta, it will be a given the full changing how the earth will be a change the season. It's a detailed answer. The earth revolves around the sun keeping its axis included in the same direction. So both the hemisphere came opposites and the sun alternate. I was told the sun will be a alternate, so opposite side will be a day, winter and summer, summer and winter will be a there. The sun rays fall straight over the hemisphere which is tilted toward the sun. Their straight rays give more heat. So the day is also longer when the more heat given in the day timing. That means we immediately we will be thinking it's a summer days. The hemisphere which is a title on the other side does receive slightly rain. The title here is in this here this title is this type of the lines are there. See beta, this type of the lines are there. So that is a title type of slightly rays. Okay. These slightly rays give less heat. Night is longer and the days is shorter. If the days is shorter, that means we can understand it's a winter season. So when it is summer is the northern hemisphere, it will be a winter and the southern hemisphere will be a vice versa. This is the cycle of the seasons continuously. Same type in every year the season will be a doing of these positions. Now this picture it's happened here. If you have a difficulties, you will be draw the picture from the textbook. Okay beta, and if the question will be taken in the exam, the 3 marks will be given of this diagram and 2 marks of the answer. So if it is not possible making the diagram from this picture, so you will be taken from your textbook. Okay beta, this chapter will be this chapter was over, so you will be complete as possible. As soon you will complete your second chapter. This is over. Okay, stay at your home, be happy and enjoy your life and start doing this study also. Goodbye.